Hello there, violin people. We are on number 19, end of page 8, and this is the tune called Rolling Along. And if you don't recognize the tune and don't know the words here, it's also the same melody for Mary Had a Little Lamb. And I'm sure you could find an audience around your house that would be willing to listen to this and maybe even sing along if you play it a couple of times. There are no skips in this, so no going two-finger moves. It's all steps, one finger on, one finger off at a time. And we're going to play it at all three speeds. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. And here is medium speed. 1, 2, ready, go. And our fast speed. 1, 2, ready, go.